Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make a rose from Play-Doh. As we know, Play-Doh we can make so many things. We can make shape, we can make number, we can make alphabet, but today we're going to make rose. Let's start. First you need to roll a ball and then you roll into a cone shape. You can make this maybe 20. Next, let's put all it back together around the blue ball. Now we finished, put all it back together. Now it's time to make a leaf. You take a piece of green Play-Doh, try to form it into a leaf shape. Then stick it back onto the rose. Now it's done. So you can try this with your kid at home. It's very fun activity. It takes a bit of time, but it's really good with concentrations and patience. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you with my next video. Bye.